how to freeze your frame on DaVinci Resolve. So first things first, head over to your timeline section in the cut area and basically just adjust the headway cursor onto the area of the frame where you want to freeze it off. I've selected this specific area. Now once that is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the another section where we are basically going to edit it off. Let's head over to the edit section. Now into the edit section, what we are going to do is we are basically going to freeze and separate the frame that we want to slow down and separate this from the rest of the video. I'm going to use the blade cut tool and basically just make two distinctive cuts that's going to separate the frozen frame from the rest of the video. So this is that specific frame that we want to work on. Then I'm going to deselect it and select the cursor. Now using the cursor, I'm basically going to drag the rest of the video all the way to the right end of the timeline. Now once I do that, I'm going to play this out and see how it goes out. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take the frozen frame area, right click on it and click on change clip speed. So basically what we're going to do here is reduce that speed to very less in a way that the frames per second almost seem like they're frozen. I click on change and then I basically just elongate and adjust that specific frame to the rest of the video so that it blends out seamlessly. We're going to play everything out together to see how it turns out smoothly. But yeah, this is how you can freeze the frame on DaVinci Resolve.